Welcome back to Olive's Kitchen.
Today we're going to be making
Our favourite.
butter chicken.
Let's first marinate the chicken.
These are the ingredients for the chicken marination. Kashmiri Chilli powder 2 teaspoon. Garam Masala 1 teaspoon. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Lemon juice 1 teaspoon. Methi leaves 1 teaspoon. Salt 1 teaspoon. Plain yogurt 2 tablespoons. Mix everything completely. Now add the chicken breast cut into cubes. Mix well with the masala and keep it in the fridge for 1 hour.
Now that the chicken has been marinated for an hour, let's start frying.
Heat the pan and add 2 tablespoons of butter and a teaspoon of oil. Shallow fry the chicken until half cooked. Remove and keep aside. Now let's make the gravy. These are the ingredients needed. Heat 2 tablespoons of butter and a teaspoon of oil in a pan. Now add the whole spices. Cinnamon stick, 5 little pieces, 2 bay leaves, 5 cloves, 1 star anise. Give it a mix. Now add the 2 thinly sliced onions with a little salt and sauté till brown. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and cook till all the raw smell has gone. Now add 3 tomatoes chopped and sautéed until cooked. Now add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, combine all together and cook until the masalas are cooked. Now add few cashew nuts and grind mixture to a fine paste. In the same pan, add a teaspoon of butter and add the grinded paste and bring it to boil. Now add the half-cooked chicken and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Now add little methi leaves and coriander leaves and mix well. Finish it with a little touch of cream and serve it hot with your favourite dish. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more videos.